Hello, welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can make thumbnails on Pixel app. So first of all, please open your Pixel app. Yes. After that, click on three dots and click on image size. Yes. Now click on this dot and select YouTube thumbnail. Then click on OK. Now delete this one, click on this text and click on delete icon. Now click on OK. Now click on plus and from gallery, click on from gallery. Now select a background photo which you want to use for your thumbnail. I will select this one. Select the background. Now make it full by stretching it and now please select any photo, like you can select your own photo or any photo you have downloaded from Google. Like I will select this graph to make the thumbnail. Now crop this one a little bit and click on OK and arrange this photo according to your need. So I will arrange this here. So wait a minute. Now I will give it a stroke and a shadow as well to beautify this picture. You can use any color, okay? Now you can use any color here. Yes, you can use any color you want, which you want. I will use this one, yes. And you can give inner shadow as well and outer shadow as well, okay? So you have many options. Yes, you can increase the saturation, side brightness, each and everything you can use from here to make your photo more attractive. So now I will add a text. Click on A and click on plus and click on this and write here which you want to write on your thumbnail. So I will write here how to make YouTube thumbnail. Yes, because this thumbnail is regarding thumbnails, so I will write here how to make YouTube thumbnails in Pixel app. You can adjust this text according to your need. Yes, I will keep this here. Now I will change the text from here. You can use your own font as well, okay? I like this one, so I will use this one. Yes, if you want to use your own font, click on my font. Yes, now the font looks good. Oh yes, I will change. You can change a specific font for your specific words. Like I will change YouTube thumbnail font only. So yes, now it look good. So I will give stroke as well. This is the same method which you used in the photo, and give some shadow as well, okay? Select the color which you want. There are many colors here, and you can increase the stroke and decrease the stroke as well according to your need. Now I will add another text and I will write here very easy method, like very easy method. Yes, very easy. Another text I have add here. Now I will give some stroke and change the font as well. You can bold here and yes, you can give stroke from here. Give the color which you want give. Yes, this one I will give, and you can add shadow here as well. Don't forget to give shadow because it is very important, okay? You can add a specific background for the text as well. Yeah, and choose the color which you want. Exactly, yes. I'm going to add a photo here, pixel photo. Yes, click on this photo. If you can download any photo from image downloader app, okay, for the YouTube thumbnail, you adjust this according to your need. Now I will give a stroke to this photo as well to beautify this one. Click on stroke and enable this, and don't forget to give shadow as well. Okay, my thumbnail is ready now. Now I'm going to save this. Please click on this icon and click on here and select ultra and select on save to gallery. Your thumbnail will be saved to your gallery easily. And if you want to click as a project, like click on here, save as a project, write down the project name. Like if you want to edit this thumbnail later, you can edit. The option project means that you can edit anytime. Okay, so click on save. Now your thumbnail is ready. You can use it in your YouTube video. So I hope you understand this. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.